Now let's get started. What is a PC? A personal computer is a programmable machine which receives, processes, and produces data, allowing it to perform a number of things for the home and office. This includes creating letters, documents, graphic video games, and using the web. Laptops and notebooks are smaller versions of PCs. So what makes up a PC is a mixture of two things: the software and the hardware, neither of which will work without the other. Hardware are physical things that you can touch, such as monitor, mouse, keyboard, and the console, etc., as well as the extra memory. Software comes on CDs and floppies, and it allows you to work on a computer. Now there are two types of software: application software and system software. Application software consists of word processors, graphic packages, and video games as examples. Application software is Microsoft Word, and for graphics we have Adobe Photoshop. Now the other software we have is the system software, and it is also known as the operating software. All computers have an operating system. It is the main software in your computer, and it controls the hardware and other software which are running on your computer and allows them to work together. This tutorial is based on Windows XP. Some of the earlier versions of Microsoft Windows include Windows 95, 98, and Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional.